Welcome back festive friends to another Under the Christmas Tree video. I'm Mandy and today I'm going to be taking a look at one of the most popular advent calendars for 2018, and that is the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. This is the advent calendar here. As you can see, it has a beautiful red and gold design and has the Look Fantastic logo on the front. This is a magnetic clip so it can keep your advent closed when you're not using it. It costs £79, but it does have over £300 worth of products that includes beauty and skincare and a couple of the Look Fantastic own brand products as well. So here we go, I'll just open this up so you can take a look. This is the inside of the box. As you can see, there is 25 different boxes for you to open, and you simply just pull out each one. So I'll just pull this one out with the little tab and the drawer comes out. Inside there is a beautifully wrapped gift, which is in red tissue paper. Simply unwrap it, and this is Stress Check Roll On This Works. So again, this is a decent sized product as well. You just keep going through opening up different drawers. So I'll just take a look at this one. I'm not going to open them all because I don't want to ruin the surprise for all of them. But you do get a different range of products. You don't just get makeup or you don't just get skincare. But this is also the Ducci eyeliner, which is again such a high-end brand, which I would expect to pay quite a lot of money for. Moving on, as you can see, you just push your drawers back in once you're finished with them. Here is number 25. Now this is a decent sized one. Inside here, I'll just pull this out. You get, take that off, Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. Now, so again, this is a very high-end product which you would expect to pay £30, £25 to £35 for. I'll just move that aside, but if you think about it this way, just between these three products, this is almost at the total of what the whole advent calendar would have cost you. So just on three products, you'd have spent roughly about £50 and you've still got a whole range of days to open up, so you can see why it's well worth the money. As I said, this is a beautiful advent calendar. It's one of the most popular advent calendars that we've seen. Last year's sold out literally within, I think it was a day, it all sold out entirely, and this is going to be no different. So when you're finished with this advent calendar, if you don't want to throw this away, you can simply take the drawers out and refill it with lots of different gifts that you could put away for next year, and by the time next year comes around you'll be like, oh yeah, I forgot to put that in there. Or if you want to, you could probably put in more different gifts and give it as a gift to someone else. So I'll just say this though, if you do get something that's maybe not your cup of tea or just different shade for you or something like that, you could also wrap up this or something else as a gift or a stocking filler for someone else if you think that they would prefer it rather than you. As I mentioned before, this is £79. They do have an offer on at the minute where you get 20% off the advent calendar. It has £300 worth of beauty and skincare products included in it, and we absolutely loved it. We loved the festive packaging that it had. It wasn't over the top, but it was finished to such a high quality. So as you can see, each one has been embossed in gold writing, which reminds me a little bit of what I would think I would see on a letter to Santa, or if Santa wrote me a little letter, that would be his kind of writing that he would use. So as I mentioned earlier, if you're finished with this, just close it up, put the clip on, and that's it. What I will say as well is, if you are finished with all your products and you want to keep them all in one place, put them back inside each of the days, and then that way you know where everything is. Apart from that, that's all we have to say about the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. We really do like this Advent Calendar, and it is set to be one of the most popular Advent Calendars for 2018. So if you want some more information, I'll put the link in the description box below. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!